Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Spotify to Notion. Okay, it's very easy and simple. I'll actually go ahead and add this on this page. What I'll do first, you come to Spotify and you find whatever playlist or song you want to embed. Okay, if you want a specific song, go ahead and click on that song from any playlist, or you can search it up. And what you need, guys, is click on this three dots, hover over share, click on embed track. Okay. Now here you can, of course, customize. You can change the color, right? You can change the size, you can make it compact, anything you want to do. And then what you do is just come here and copy this URL. Okay. You can copy this as well. But the main thing is you come to Notion, you type in /embed, click on this, and then I want you to go and paste in that URL, okay? So we're embedding that song right here. And if I want, I can easily go ahead and play this. Just click on this. Let me see. That is just an example. And if you want to do a whole playlist, repeat the same process. So this is for the whole playlist. Come here, click on these three dots, hover over share, click on embed playlist. Same process, guys. Copy the link, or you can click on this as well, right? And we can come here and embed the whole playlist. So I'll show you this as well. And you can customize this more. If you want, you can drag this out like this, right? You can resize it as you wish. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.